Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you today uploading to 2 hashtags. The first one is hashtag 2crafters1design. That's Melissa, who's Moe Creation, Lisa, UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria with Girlie's Cards. And they provide you with a prompt each week and want you to upload your designs on Saturday morning. And then also I'm uploading to hashtag More Makes. This is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs, Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. And she just wants you to craft all week long or on Saturday morning and then upload your video to share with everyone your designs. So today I am a little late. It's approximately 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I kind of missed the morning mark, but I still wanted to share with you what I created today. And so let me share what I used. So first up, I used this Deco Arts Americana acrylic paint in bright orange. And if you watch me for a while, you'll see that orange is one of my favorite colors. I used this super sweet clear stamp and die set from Lawn Fawn. It's called Carrot. Oh God, what is this called? Carrot About You banner add-on. And it goes with another set, but I needed a small little sentiment that I could die cut out, and there's the little sweet die. And then I picked up these stickers from Hobby Lobby. They're the Easter rabbit and egg stickers. So cute. And then last but not least, this design from Surprise Creation. This is scallop squares. I think you can purchase these off of Amazon, I believe, and maybe, I'm not sure, maybe Amazon. So anyway, and then I also used some gold glitter paper from my stash from Cricut. So I kind of went a different route today. I didn't make a card. I made this little bitty decoration for my desk at work. So I got this wood little crate from the Dollar Tree, and I painted it with the orange paint. And then I put the little stickers in there. I was going to put some grass at the bottom, but I just thought it still looked cute without all that. And then there's the sentiment back in the back. And it's kind of dimensional. I have them stuck up with some squares, some foam squares, and then she's stuck up with a little bit of a stick. I didn't want the foam squares because I thought you could see them, but I think it turned out super cute. I know this is just kind of minimal effort here, but I love it. I can't wait to take this to work so I can have it prepared for when first day of spring, and I'll sit this right up on a little shelf right in my view where I can see it every time I go to work. I think it's adorable. Let me know what you think below. Like I said, kind of outside the box, but I wanted to try something really cute, and I think I succeeded. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.